Yeah, it's Genius Records. This is one for the masses. A. Martin, songwriter. Noosh, 2014. When I do it on the lean, promethazine. A little kush. Get your brain fucking shook. Make sure I do it freedom of speech. Take a look. From cosmetology to heading to Illinois. These niggas talking shit, I got the game paranoid. It costs $1 to get your ass up in the game. $1 billion. If you ain't got it, then you lame. This watching. How I just switch on them lanes with the license. In every single state it's the same. In every hood, in every bitch, in every prostitute I pick. This shit I do, and then I dip. I got the gold chain for your motherfucking brain, and we roll bang. That's how I do it mainstream. You can't stop me. I'm the CEO, bitch, and you are the motherfucking shit. The game is to be sold, not told. The game is to be sold, not told. The game is to be sold, not told. The game is to be sold, not sold. Check me out. 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 Yeah. Take a seat up in the barber chair. It's the second verse. Or you might wanna lay up in that fucking hearse. All seeing eye up on ya, the Freemasons up on ya. What you gonna do? It's like when I was California, like what up blood, what up cud. I'm like what up, I'm from Michigan. I don't play around, I keep my gun. The gun license won't be everywhere I go. And even though I roll to the motherfucking snow. I'm thinking about getting me a skateboard, or maybe a snowboard, maybe forkboard, another torture with your ass in the whole buffet is going so fucking fast. The game is to be sold, not told. The game is to be sold, not told. And I will never stop rolling. And I will never stop rolling. And I am the chosen one, the chosen one. And I, the chosen one, the chosen one. And I, the chosen one, the chosen one. And I am the chosen one, the chosen one. You thought I ran out. The library, get you bitch nigga berry, get you carrying Alex, and let you severely organized shit. That genius culture closing got you niggas flipping shit. You thought I couldn't spit, I'm from a season. I am the best up in this bitch because I'm seasoned. I got the garlic and the oregano, the sesame seed bun, and then you know that it's on. I got the spaghetti Italian, I drop it like I was doing it most stallion. I only fuck them bitches that become a child win, and then I do it with that straight up Mr. Children. And when we hit up to New York, you know we riding like 20 million on this shit, you know I'm growling. Gorilla shit, a hairy chest nigga wildin'. I brush it though these niggas ain't getting don't like me. I spit on flows and I am Anthony, the best. I am Anthony, the best. And if you don't think you are the best, then maybe you should be put to back the game.